Good Tuesday evening, Southwest Arkansas. Welcome back, Southwest Arkansas weather here on Tuesday, January the 13th, 2026. Taking a quick look at your evening weather blog. Just a quick outlook here. As you can see, over the next 6 days, we got a little bit of a temperature roller coaster. Tomorrow's going to be a little cooler with highs in the upper 50s and 60s as a cold front comes through. Small 10% chance of rain early during the day before that colder air moves in with temperatures dropping in the 20s and potentially teens as that cold front moves through and into Thursday. Sunny skies. That cold front clears us out with highs in the 40s and nearing 50 degrees. Overnight lows around 32 degrees on Friday. Partly cloudy skies. Highs in the upper 50s and overnight lows in the 20s. Another cold front moves through and puts us down into the lower 50s and upper 40s. Overnight lows in the 20s. We should stay dry for the most part. We may have a chance some small rain chances. Will we have any winter weather? It's a very, very low chance. I think mainly we see some rainfall, if that at all. It's not much rainfall. You're talking less than a tenth of an inch of rain, and it's very, very dry for that time frame. Just systems too far to our east, it's a little better chance as you go east of our region and east of Arkansas in general, and over more towards the east, northeast and east coast range. But mostly cloudy skies there on over the weekend on Saturday. Then we clear out with highs getting up into the upper 50s, nearing 60 degrees, and overnight lows in the 30s across the region. Another front moves through, and then we drop right back down into the 50s again for Monday with sunny skies, overnight lows in the 20s there once again. Real quickly, I do want to show you what some data is pointing at with some future radar. This is the HRR model. This is going to show us what goes on for what the possibility is for overnight tonight and into tomorrow. Remember, model data isn't perfect. One of the many tools that we use to help us build forecasts. But as we go throughout the upcoming time frame, you can continue to see maybe some small rain chances by late tonight, and into tomorrow morning, maybe before sunrise there across the region. That ends up moving out. Some more rainfall tries to come in on the backside of that throughout the afternoon, but very low chance. You can see some better winter weather chances when we zoom out here over the eastern portion of the U.S. And by all means, that's still don't think we see anything here in Southwest Arkansas out of this either really both days of that event or both cold fronts that come through. And just know winter's not nowhere near over quite yet. We just, it's always that time of year where you just got to pay close attention, keep an eye on it. It's Arkansas, it can change, but for now, we stay for the most part some small rain chances, but drier but cooler there as we go forward. That's going to be one of the bigger things there with that. So, taking a look at some more model data as we go forward. This is the GFS model. This is going to go over this weekend. This is going to show you just once again another idea for those rain chances, really, as we go in. And hey, this is wanting to show possibility, as we go into this weekend, maybe a few flurries. I mean, like I said, it's very, very light. That's just one model. We'll have to watch that closely. But that is showing for that Saturday time frame. We'll see with that. By all means, that would be very light, if anything at all. As you can see, just not as great moisture, and once again, better chances off on the East Coast. Like I said, though, that can change. That's very, very light, if anything at all there. That could easily change, but I'm not going to take out the possibility of it. We'll have to see, but once again, I'm just wanting to show you all the possibilities there with that, and that's just something that doesn't look too promising for that time frame. Though we'll keep a close eye on it and keep you updated. Just the overall setup isn't great for us for winter weather chances. We'll keep an eye on it though and keep a close look towards that. So maybe some rain chances, some very small rain chances, like we said, some light rain possible tomorrow or on your day on Wednesday. And then over the weekend, we'll have to watch what happens with data with that. But by all means, don't expect anything major out of that. Just some colder air coming in. Temperatures continue to be the roller coaster of temperatures that we've been seeing. And as always, we want to end this off by saying big thanks to all of our sponsors for making this possible: Patterson's Credit Union, Southern Dumpster Rental, Landmark Insurance Agency, Palmer's Roofing, and J&S Auto Supply, Bumper to Bumper. I want to say big thanks to them. And a big thanks to all those who follow and support us. As always, have a great rest of your Tuesday. Thank you guys very much for trusting us right here with your source for all things Southwest Arkansas weather.